away by the groom. The groom gets a delay, and the oil of the foolish bridesmaids run out, making them being excluded from the ceremony. This is a little background of what's happening in this book. Mawuthi ubheka kahle le ncwadi lena is not all about marriage. It teaches you about individual responsibility. You have to be prepared. Ngokwakho ungathi no umamami uyasonta so nami ngizongena ezulwini. No, it is a personal thing. The oil, abakhulumi just the oil nje, it symbolizes spiritual readiness. Yes. Are you ready wena ngokwakho? Laba, the 5 wise virgins brought extra oil. Ukuze balethe amafutha extra. They were indicating that they are always ready for any delay or any challenges throughout the journey. But laba abanye abayilethanga ikhombisa lento le ukuthi they are not prepared. They may come to the ceremony but they are not prepared. Same as us here. Ungazi sontweni every day, every Sunday, 4 times a month, 52 weeks. Mara ngokwakho you are not prepared. Awuna faith kuwe. Uyaza njengoba ekinyi bayaqhuba bathi asabe enkonzweni. Mara wena ngokwakho uhleli lapho kuleso situlo awukho prepared. Maybe now mzalwane mehlo makhulu you are not prepared. Are you prepared now? This is your journey. Mele uze sontweni because you want, not because uthi endlini bathi asambe enkonzweni. You need to have faith. You need to have glory from the Lord. The next thing, spirituality cannot be borrowed. Angeke uthi ngoba ngihamba noma mfundisi la sekule spirituality no. Awukwazi ukuyisulela le ifana ne-education. Ifana ne-education. If mina ngifundile, hayi ukuthi mawuhleli la ufundile. This thing is a personal thing. Mele uzenzele yona ngokwakho indlela yakho le. It cannot be borrowed. So not because uthi umkhulu wakho ugogo wakho umalume uze esontweni yena une-faith na uzongena emazulwini. No, it's your own thing. Mele na uzilungiselele. This is a call to be constantly ready and prepared for ngene ezulwini because uJesu awazi ukuthi uzobuya nini. Nami njengoba ngikhuluma so angangena la. Are you prepared? If angangena manje uzongena na emazulwini. Awazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoza nini. So you have to live to be ready every day. Mele ube ready. Njengoba bashilo lapha kuMatthew verse 9 ithi no, there may not be enough for both of us and you. Laba abafazi abayi5 laba bebangalethanga amafutha. Ya into. When they realized ukuthi into lezi ezi5 ezingalethanga amafutha. When they realized ukuthi the groom sekafikile ilana semaqala bathi bayamoleka. But it was too late for them. Mangithi too late isho ukuthini? If now manje akho prepared, mangeno uJesu la, it's gonna be too late for you. You cannot rely on your friend, parent, or community to gain entry into the kingdom. When the door is shut, when the door was shut, the 5 foolish virgins were left out. This shows that the individual responsibility has a time limit. Unesikhathi sokuziprepare, and then there's a time for another thing. This shows that after a certain time, ayisekho opportunity yokufuna uNkulunkulu, yokuguquka, noyokukhula enkonzweni. There is a danger of a delay. The groom delays, it highlights that endurance is required. There may be any delays and any challenges throughout the journey, but mele ubambezele uqinisele. No matter what happens, you have to endure. True faith exists even when the wait is long. Noma kunzima, but mele uhlale. Ngokubona kwami, there is inner and outside preparedness. Bonke laba they had armor lamps, but only the wise had the oil. This signifies that outward religious activities is insufficient without inward spiritual life. If when we are hamba nje usihamba nje uhamba inkonzo, but awunayo le nto leyana, it's useless uzamahali esontweni. So the main lesson from today is be vigilant, live in constant expectation of Christ's return, because the timings are known. If you are not ready, I advise a man, start now preparing, because any time is tea time.